Before you begin, remove the stand, I/O port's rear cover, stand hinge, and motherboard EMI shield. Removal. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the fan cable from the routing channel on the chassis. Remove the three 6.5mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the chassis. Lift the fan off of the standoffs and remove. Replacement. Place the fan onto the standoffs on the chassis. Replace the three 6.5mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the chassis. Route the fan cable through the routing channel on the chassis. Connect the fan cable into the connector on the motherboard.